The platform was initially developed to facilitate the electronic submission and monitoring of school board minutes to provide technical support to school boards. The platform, however, is being designed as part of a wider strategy to assist the boards to carry out their functions more efficiently. A pool of resources for school chairmen and members will also be provided on the platform. Here you will find the main tabs to navigate a selected school or public educational institution. A navigation menu is located at the top right corner where you will find additional information such as contact information and resources to support the process. The system is very secure and has advanced security features. Files are stored in a secured cloud storage environment, box.com, and linked to the main website that was created using Google Sites. We recognize that the minutes of meetings contain confidential information, and in this regard, mechanisms are in place to protect and maintain the integrity of the system and to ensure that strict confidentiality is always observed. Permission levels are active and school folders are shared only with persons who are authorized to do so. The system will be monitored on a regular basis to ensure relevance and uptake. On the resource page, you can find a variety of materials to assist you in carrying out your role as school members. Other information will be provided on a timely basis to assist the schools and institutions in navigating the platform and accessing vital resources. Upload process. A copy of the board meeting minutes can be uploaded in just a few clicks. To navigate your school's folder, please follow these simple steps. 1. Select the school tab on the dashboard. 2. Select your region. 3. Select your school type. Schools are listed in alphabetical order. Once you select your school, your shared school folder will be presented. Select Upload, navigate to your file, select Open, and the file will be uploaded. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded your document.